What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to see if we can figure out how to determine true north using shadows and the sun. Hit your like and subscribe button. Alright, so ideally we want to figure out true north, but we're also going to try to prove it with a compass. Watch all the way to the end. Right now we have a stick that's in the ground and it is more than 2 feet tall. So the longer it is, the more accurate it is. You can see that I've marked the beginning of the shadow with a piece of chalk. So I'm going to come back out here and remark the other end, and you'll see what I'm talking about. We will determine true north and then prove it with a compass. Right now it is about 3 o'clock. This is supposed to be the west point. So now I have a stick connecting the original west point to now that point, which is now east. East is over there, then north should be that way, right? And here's a compass. Showing north to be that way. Pretty accurate, I'd say. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment below.